Hello everyone! Today's lesson is very powerful. We are learning American collocations, natural word combinations that Americans use every day. Collocations help you sound more fluent and more natural. Let's begin. What are collocations? Collocations are two or more words that often go together in English. For example, make a mistake. We don't say do a mistake. So today I'll show you 20 collocations that native speakers use all the time. Collocation 1, as I said, make a mistake, meaning do something wrong. Example, it's okay, people make mistakes. Collocation 2, take a break, meaning stop work and rest. Example, I need to take a break. Collocation 3, have lunch, have dinner, have breakfast. Usually Americans don't say eat lunch. For example, let's have lunch today. Collocation 4, get ready, meaning prepare. Example, I'm getting ready for work. Collocation 5, get home, not reach home. There is a slight difference. Example, what time did you get home? Collocation 6, catch a cold, meaning become sick. Example, I caught a cold last week. Collocation 7, do homework, not make homework. Example, my son is doing his homework. Collocation 8, pay attention, meaning focus. Example, please pay attention to this video. Collocation 9, run late. It's very American. Example, sorry, I'm running late. Collocation 10, keep in touch, meaning stay connected. Example, let's keep in touch. Collocation 11, make a decision. Example, I need to make a decision now. Collocation 12, take care, meaning be safe, goodbye. Example, see you later, take care. Collocation 13, lose weight, not reduce weight. Example, I want to lose weight, which is definitely true. Collocation 14, save time. Example, online shopping saves time. Collocation 15, ask a question, not make a question. Example, can I ask you a question? Collocation 16, catch a bus, catch a train. Example, I have to catch the bus at 8. Collocation 17, make friends, not do friends. Example, it's easy to make friends in America. I would say it's relatively easy to make friends in America. Collocation 18, do the dishes, meaning wash the dishes. Example, I'll do the dishes tonight. Collocation 19, have a good time. Example, we had a good time at the party. Collocation 20, take notes, meaning write down information. Example, please take notes in this class. Quick practice. Repeat after me. Make a mistake. Take a break. get home, pay attention, run late, catch a bus, make friends, have a good time. Great job. Bravo. Please write in the comments below. Make one sentence using any collocation. Thanks for watching Top Lingo. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you want more American English lessons, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. See you in the next video.